Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to insert combination chart in Excel. Now, combination chart is nothing but wherein by making use of single chart area, you're going to include 2 or 3 chart type series. Now, let's understand this by making use of an example. I've taken the details of Tata Motors Limited. I have the period, the net sales and their operating profit. Now, if in case you observe, the data of operating profit is comparatively low when compared to net sales. And if in case you insert a chart of this particular data, you can see this is how the chart will look like. And you can observe that the data of operating profit is not visible. And in case of March 20, it's not even visible because you can observe in the data that they have not made enough profit. So in order to make a chart a little more clear, we will insert a combination chart. And if you insert a combination chart, this is how it will look like. I have taken a column chart and the line chart. You can decide upon the type of chart that you require. So towards my left hand side, this is the data that is represented by making use of column chart, and towards my right hand side, this is the axis label for my line chart. So let's start in order to insert the combination chart. And before we could get started off, if you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates. So let's start. So in order to insert chart, so select the range of data. After selecting the range of data, click on this insert. In insert, automatically you can see that the list of charts are there. Now in this case, I'll just go with this column chart. So I'll select this column chart and this is how the chart will get inserted. Now I want to change this operating profit details, right? So select any of the series of operating profit. You can see that the data has been selected. Now in this case, right click, make sure that the data is selected. Right click and go with this format data series. In format data series, towards the right hand side, this particular dialog box will appear. Just click on this secondary axis. Now, still the data series are selected. Now, go with this design tab. In design tab, go with this change chart type. Once you select this change chart type, this particular dialog box appears. You can see the custom combination is already available. So whichever combination you want, you can just select that particular combination. If in case you want to change this line chart to some other type, you can see the net sales and the operating profit. As of now, I'm going to change the operating profit. Now click on this drop down arrow. You can see these are the list of charts which is available. So whichever chart type you want, you can just select that particular chart type and then give OK. So once you give OK, you can see that the column chart and the line chart has been inserted, and you can also see one of the values with negative sign. You can see that the data has been represented within brackets of 1000, which is negative. So this becomes very useful when you have one range of data, a very large number, and one more range of data, a very small number. And that concludes this video.